What's up, everybody? Raccoon here from raccoonscorner.com. Today, as you can see by this, I will be unboxing a Coby LED 32-inch HD TV. Now, before I unbox it, this TV is capable of broadcasting in full HD 1080p, as well as 720p standard definition, of course, and 1080i. Now, let me just go over here and point out some things. I can connect my PC monitor up to it because it has a VGA port on the back. It has ATSC digital TV. It has an HDMI port, which is high definition multimedia interface. It says it's an HD TV, and of course it's a 32-inch. And then all that LED super slim. And it's by Coby. Now that I have that pointed out to you guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Now I can't pull it out because it's I don't think I'd be careful with it, or I would, but I wouldn't be able to pull it out because it might be too heavy. Now let's go ahead and unbox it, shall we? Just stick this knife in there, cut off the tape. Okay. I kind of ruined the box here, so that's why I cut that last part short. It seemed like I was opening it wrong, so that's why I ruined the box. My dad actually came out here and showed me how to open it, because I couldn't figure it out. But anyways, let's go ahead here and open this up now. Gotta pull this out. Lift it up. Now go to the other side and do the same thing. Pull it out. Lift it up. And I got it open. Now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. So let's go ahead here around to here. I just ruined the box a bit more, as you can see. Sorry about the shake, I'm opening it up for you guys. Okay. I don't really know how well you can see it, but this is the 32-inch Coby LCD or LED TV. This is what it looks like. Pretty awesome. So that's basically it for this unboxing. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and just general videos and technology videos. You can visit my blog, raccoonscorner.com. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/raccoontech, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace!